Chevrolet's fresh take on the Trax introduces a compelling proposition, marked by expanded space and enhanced value. Through a thorough redesign and the infusion of upgraded safety features, the once uninspiring subcompact has been infused with renewed appeal. Propelled by a 137 horsepower turbocharged 3-cylinder engine twinned with a 6-speed automatic transmission, the Trax offers a performance that strikes a balance between efficiency and capability. Borrowing style cues from the midsize Blazer and the powertrain from the smaller Trailblazer, the Trax seeks to marry aesthetics and performance. Most notably, the revamped Trax boasts increased rear legroom and cargo capacity, all while managing to start at a price lower than its predecessor. Following a hiatus, the Trax returns with a more robust crossover profile and a suite of standard features. The expansion of its wheelbase translates into additional space for rear legroom and a notable boost in cargo capacity. With the introduction of 5 trim levels instead of the former 2, the Trax now offers a broader range of options. Anchored by the 137 horsepower turbocharged 3-cylinder engine shared with the Trailblazer, this iteration witnesses a reduction of 18 horsepower from the previous model's 155. Navigating the lineup, the LT trim emerges as a compelling choice, serving as the equilibrium between affordability and added features. Offering an expansive 11.0-inch infotainment touchscreen, remote start capabilities, and the option for heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, the LT trim addresses comfort and convenience. Further enhancing the tech package, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard on LT and higher trims, facilitating seamless integration of smartphone features for navigation and entertainment. Propelling all models of the Chevrolet Trax is a uniform 137 horsepower 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This configuration provides ample power for city and highway driving, with exclusive front-wheel drive as the drivetrain option. The Trax's larger dimensions relative to the Trailblazer counterpart result in acceleration that could be characterized as moderate. The torque delivery at lower rev ranges ensures respectable initial acceleration, though the transmission's responsiveness in translating this energy into speed can be somewhat sluggish. Despite this, the Trax's transmission performance outshines the uninspiring performance of some of its competitors' CVTs. While not a powerhouse in terms of performance, the Trax promises a composed and capable driving experience. Fuel efficiency remains a strong point for the 2024 Chevy Trax, boasting an EPA estimated 28 mpg in the city and 32 mpg on the highway. These numbers place the Trax in a favorable position compared to similar offerings, such as the non-turbo Mazda CX-30 and the Hyundai Kona. Real-world fuel efficiency will be subjected to comprehensive on-road testing to provide a more precise assessment. The new Trax interior reveals a comprehensive redesign, marked by an intuitive layout for infotainment controls and climate adjustments. The lengthened wheelbase translates into approximately 3 extra inches of rear legroom and a more spacious cargo area. Furthermore, the driving position feels notably lower and more car-like this time around, resulting in a more engaging driving experience. While certain premium features like remote start, heated seats, and a sunroof may vary based on trim levels, these enhancements add a layer of sophistication to the interior. In the sphere of infotainment, the Trax LS and 1 Rupee trims come equipped with an 8.0-inch touchscreen as standard, representing an upgrade from the previous generation. Impressively, the LT trim and higher tiers receive an even larger 11.0-inch infotainment touchscreen, complemented by an 8.0-inch gauge cluster. This central hub governs a spectrum of Trax technologies, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, the availability of a wireless phone charger, and the inclusion of an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot. Regarding warranty coverage, Chevrolet's basic package adheres to industry norms, although competitors like the Kia Soul and Hyundai Kona provide more extensive protection plans. Chevrolet also goes a step further by offering a complimentary dealer maintenance visit within the first year of ownership, amplifying the value proposition for potential buyers. With its revamped design, augmented features, and an appealing price point, the 2024 Chevy Trax reclaims its position as a formidable contender in the compact crossover segment. Targeting the budget-conscious audience, it seamlessly merges practicality, comfort, and contemporary technology.